Hello guys, good morning. This is a beautiful day. This is on Thursday 31st of October 2024, and I wish to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. Feel so welcomed. My name is Timothy Gamba, as you know me as FX Gamba. I welcome you to my channel. And basically what we're going to do today together, we're going to do what is called an analysis. We're just going to analyze the markets together and know where we are going to take our positions from today. And yeah, I know it's going to be a profitable day because that's what we do, man. That's our grill. We just have to get profitable in these markets. So I'm really worried. I don't understand why the markets today are so red. Like everything today is on the negative, on the negative, on the negative. What's going on? So we shall go to the Forex factory where I normally get my news. That's actually the first thing that I do when I enter the markets in the morning. Oh, yeah, that's the first thing when I do when I get into the markets in the morning. And so today is on Thursday, and on Thursday, as you can see, we have the yellow news, which is this one, and it means that they are low impact news. Then the orange one is the medium impact news, and then the red ones are the high impact news. So today on Thursday, we are actually wow, okay, we have unemployment claims in the US, in the USD currency pair. We also have GDP in the CAD currency pair. Then we also have JPYs today. We have some news in the JPY currency. So what time is that? 5:48 a.m. Oh, also these are they have already passed. So tentative JPY. Okay, so we still have news for JPY, but now the problem is that it is tentative, so we don't know the time. Okay, so from 10, so we should avoid USD pairs up to 330, and CAD up to 330. Okay, we can trade them up to 330, then from 330 we can avoid them, wait for the news to play out, then we can now look for positions. But either way, it will not hinder us from doing our analysis. And let's start our analysis, of course, from the euro. This is euro USD. So basically, let me just remove all the drawings. Then as always, we come to the 4-hour time frame. We want to know what is the bias, what is the trade doing. And my higher time frame bias is always the 4-hour time frame. And how do I know the bias? So I know the bias by if you know the market structure, price normally moves in a series of higher highs and higher lows. In a case of an uptrend, let me just draw that. So when price is let me just sorry, okay, sorry for that. Let me just use this blank page, then we shall come back. So when price is on an uptrend, it normally has a series of uptrend. Okay, that's an uptrend. There is no day that price will just go in one direction. It always goes in a series of higher highs and higher lows. So this is what, so when price is on an uptrend, this is called a higher high. I'll just denote that with HH, higher high, and then I'll denote this one with an higher low. Why do I call this a higher high? Okay, where has it gone to? This is the high high, then this is an higher low. So why do I call this a higher high and this a higher low? Because this high over here is higher than this high over here. So, and this low over here is okay, let me just copy that and I paste it here. Let me just see if I can paste it there. Okay, I'll just draw two high low, then okay, high. Okay, so the reason why I call this higher low, because it is higher than the low that was here. and this one is a higher low because it is higher than this low over here. So if that is an uptrend, that's how price will be moving. And if it is on a downtrend, price will be giving us a series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and the series goes that way. So the moment now price, for example, it was on a downtrend, and by a downtrend it gives us a series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then all of a sudden price now breaks that point and gives us a new higher high point, higher low, higher high, higher low. Are we together? Like, it means now that the price has now changed its sentiment. It was on a downtrend and now it is on an uptrend. And how do we know that it's on an uptrend? It's on an uptrend because it has now broken structure to the above, which is called a change of character or market structure shift, and it has now turned to be bullish. And at this point is where we just look for buying opportunities, because it is always good. When I was joining trading, there was something called the trend is your friend. So the same situation applies here. When we are going up, we should not be looking for downward opportunities. When we are going up, we should only be looking for upward opportunities, and when you're going down in the market, only look for shorting opportunities. Are we together up to that point? So let's come back now to our chart, and this is Euro USD in the 4-hour time frame, and let's now look what was happening. As we can see, let's even start from here. This is a lower, because now it's a downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then there was a change of character. Okay, change of character. So actually this one came up to here. Sorry, let me just okay, sorry, let me just delete that. So let's start from here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, change of character. So now price is bullish. Okay, let me explain that. I know we may be getting confused maybe, but let me just explain what that means. Okay, let me delete that, delete also, delete. Okay, sorry for that. So let me drag this one over here. So what can we see? We can see that price at this point broke this structure point over here, and it is now bullish. So in the Euro USD, we are only looking for buying opportunities in this market. So where can we buy in this market? And I'll show you where we buy. There's something called a Fibonacci tool. That's what I normally use to identify the zones that I'll be interested in buying from. And a Fibonacci tool helps us to know where retracements happen in the market. And there's a principle that I'll have to do a video about called premium and discount levels in the market. And a premium area is an area where price has been overbought. So it's only fair to stop buying, because if a commodity is overbought, it means that it has lost its value. The only thing you can do is to sell that commodity. So this is a premium area, and then this point over here is where we call the discount area. Okay, so we are only looking why are these things disappearing? Premium area. Okay, so we are only looking to buy at this point, and at this point you are looking for sales. But since now the overall trend is now bullish, we shall only be looking to buy from this point. So let me just delete that. So these are premium area, discount area. Okay, so I'm sorry for deleting the Fibonacci tool. So if I draw, I'll be looking to buy from this lower point over here. Okay, then I can now delete the Fibonacci tool. I'll be looking to buy from that point over there. So I'll come now to my entry time frame, And before I come to my entry time frame, I'll normally try to look for the higher time frame point of interest, but so far I can't see any point of interest, and my points of interest are normally the order block, or we have fair value gaps. So these are my point of interest, whereby when price comes, I know there's a possibility that price is going to react from those points and give us a reaction. So in that case, I'll come to my entry time frame, which is the M15. I'm just a simple guy. I don't complicate these things. I'll come to my entry time frame, which is the M15, and I'll be looking for buys. So I'm looking to buy this thing from there. We talked about premium and discount, so I'll be looking to buy from the discount area. And what should I do now to buy this thing from the discount area? I'll be looking for areas of interest, and my main valid area of interest is normally the order block. So I'll mark out this order block over here. This is one of the areas that I'm interested in buying Euro USD today. I'll just mark it out. Okay, then so this is another order block over here. Yeah, I'll also be looking at that point. I'll also be considering that point as an area that I'm interested in buying. Then we also have this point over here. It is not mitigated, so it is okay. Let me just draw it. But I think price mitigated this point over here yesterday. Okay, let me draw it, but I am not very sure about it. In fact, I'll not be considering this point, but there's a criteria I'll show you guys on how you can know if this is a valid area, because there are some confirmations that you have to look at for before you take the trade from. Okay, then we also have this order block over here. Let me just mark it out. This is an order block. It is in the discount area. I hope you guys like keep that thing in your mind, that you must buy at a discount area. Are we together up to that point? So this is the setup we are looking at today in the Euro USD. Actually, this is what I'm waiting for. Price comes up to this point and gives us this reaction. So let me just use this projection, long position. I'll be looking to buy that thing from there, but I'll not like be buying it immediately. There are some confirmation that I have to look at. Then I'll be looking to buy, targeting that high over there. So this is Euro USD, and this is what I'm looking at today. This is what I'll be looking at today. So yeah, that is Euro USD. Okay, let's go to the next currency pair, which is the JPY. But now the problem with JPY is that there is a lot of news, and I think I'll be avoiding this currency pair today. But either way, let us just look in case we shall be trading. If in case there were no volatile news, what would we be looking at? So sorry for this. Okay, so we also look at the 4-hour time frame as our area of our time frame for where we are looking to buy, and you can see this is a lower high and this is a higher high point. So as always, I'll come to my M15 time frame, and I'll draw my premium and discount areas. So how do I draw my premium and discount areas? I use my Fibonacci tool, mark the I'll mark my premium and discount area. Let me just mark it out. Sorry. Okay. Okay, let me delete that. I'll also delete this one. So what I'm looking out for today, I'm looking for areas of interest around this area to take my buys from. And let us zoom in so that we can see where are the possible places where we can buy this thing from today. And you can see this clear order block over here. Let me just mark it out. Okay, let me just mark that out. This is actually an area that I'm interested in buying USD JPY from. Also, we have this point over here, although I kinda don't like it. let me just mark this other one. Okay, this is another area. Okay, let me just mark it out. Okay, that's another area that I'll be looking to buy USD JPY from. But I'll also be conscious about this point, this order block over here, because we have this imbalance over here. So I'll also mark it out, though I'll be careful because we have a main order block that is below, so I have to be really careful about that. Okay, and yeah, so in fact this is a trade I'll be waiting for also today. I'm looking actually for price to come back, mitigate this order block or this one, then give us that reaction. Why am I saying that I'm going to buy this thing? Because the higher time frame, which is the overall time frame, is bullish, so I'll be more biased for buys today. As always, we target the swing points, which is that point over there. That's the trade I'll be looking at today in the USD JPY. Then let's go to our guy, gold. So gold, let me just also remove the drawings. Gold has been very bullish, as you can see the 4-hour time frame. You cannot even you cannot even say anything. Gold has been very bullish. If you draw a trend line, you'll see like it is only logical for you to buy this thing. So we are only interested in buying gold. So let us go to the M15 time frame, identify our zones of interest where I shall be looking to buy gold from today. Okay, I'll zoom in. Okay, let me just make it visible. Okay, where are the visible order blocks? I can see this one over here. This is a very visible order block that I'll be looking to buy from today, gold. Okay, yeah, so we have that point over there. Where is another order block that I can see for buys? Okay, unless this one, yeah, I also have this one, this order block. Okay, that's another one. Okay, so that's where I'll be interested in taking buys for gold. In fact, I'm seeing gold buying today. Long position, mark that point there. Target, I cannot say the target, but now for these big order blocks, I normally prefer to use the 50% level for my entries, because now the order block is so big. I'll be looking to buy from the 50% level. At least price will have mitigated, because now the order block is too big, so you'd want to buy at a good price range. So that is my trade for gold today. Actually, this is what I'm waiting for, that price will come. Sorry, let me delete this one. Sorry for that. Let me delete that. Okay, let me delete also that one. So what I'm actually waiting for is that price will come, form something like that, then give us that movement. Okay, this is gold. Okay, let's go to GBP JPY. And I'm really sad for this trade, because I have a friend who is called Sam, and he was actually on this trade yesterday. In fact, he managed to flip this an account from $7 to $100 yesterday in this trade, and when it reached this point, he did not close the trade, and the trade came back reversing all the way. So I really feel sad for him, because we already analyzed together and he did not close his profits. So Sam, I'm really sorry. I hope next time you learn on how you can close your trades, close your profits. Either way, let's do our analysis for GBP JPY. So GBP JPY generally is bullish, so you can identify these are structure points. We have our higher high, we have our higher high, lower high, higher high. So when I come to my entry time frame, which is the M15, as always we draw the Fibonacci, the fib, and we draw our horizontal line, so that we can know the premium and the discount areas where we are looking to buy or sell. Okay, so let me delete now that. I think I'm done with you, Mr. So I'll zoom in. Okay, and I'll identify my zones in the premium and in the discount areas where I'll be looking to buy. And as always, my zones is the fair value gap or the order block. So let me just mark out that order block, a beautiful order block that I'll be looking to buy from today. Okay, also we have, okay, I'm not sure of this point over here, but I'll be keen about it. This has already been mitigated, so I think that's the only point I'm interested in. Although there's also this point, but I don't like these gaps. I really don't like these gaps. I really don't like those gaps. So I'll only be looking GBP JPY. I'll only be looking at this point. Although someone really tell me what am I missing? What about this point over here? Okay, it has already reacted from. Okay, let me look at it. Okay, let's continue with our analysis. Sorry for that. So so I was talking about the GBP JPY, and as you can see, already price has reacted from this point. It's a good order block actually. We have a break of structure. We have this break of structure point over here. Okay, that's the break of structure, and price actually gave us that reaction. Okay, I'll be still considering this point over here, although that's not a place I'm really interested in. So that is GBP JPY. Okay, let's finish with this is GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD. This is what I was looking at yesterday. In fact, price came to my zone and it reacted from. Okay, okay. So okay, let me delete, remove drawings. So come again to the 4 hour time frame, and shall be looking what the 4 hour time frame is doing. Okay, the 4 hour time frame is very bearish, as you can see. How do we know it's bearish? Because we have that high, low, price broke below, it gave us this okay, high, low. Oh, actually it's bullish now. It is bullish because price has already broken above, and now it is now bullish. I think it's more bullish. So what I'll be doing, I'll just mark my Fibonacci tool, and I'll mark my premium and discount areas where I want to buy this thing from. Okay, let me just mark out that points. Okay, then after I've identified my premium and discount areas, I'll be looking for areas of interest in the higher time frame. That's a very strong area in the higher time frame. These are 4 hour order block. So now I come down to my 15-minute time frame. Okay, and I also identify possible areas where price may give us a change, and I can also identify that point over there. Then I'll also come and I'll identify this point as price already mitigated this point. Let me just look at it. Yeah, it has already mitigated. I'll also be looking at this point over here because it's a 4 hour time frame order block. I'll be really interested. You see, we have this order block over here. Let me just draw it. We have this order block. Very interested in it. Okay, then we also have this order block. I'll also be very keen on how price will react from that point. So these actually are high probability zones. In fact, these are areas I'll be really interested to see how price is going to react from. I'll be really interested to see how price is going to react from this point. Let me just draw. Okay, then we have also this point over here. Also have that point over there. Okay. Yeah, so for GBP USD, I'm actually looking to buy GBP USD today. I'm really looking actually for long buys in GBP USD. Let me just so what are my areas of interest in buying GBP USD? I'm looking to buy either long position from here, but this will be a short-term buy because there are still some strong areas below. Also, long position, I'll also be looking to buy from there. Short position, long position, sorry, or the highest probability point is this point over here, where I'll be looking also to buy. So those are my possible areas where I'll be looking to buy. This is GBP CHF. I don't like trading that currency. So those are the trades that I'll be looking at today. And let's just even analyze this GBP GPY GBP USD trade. So you see price has already mitigated this order block. So the moment price mitigates that order block, you come now to the entry time frame, which is the 1 minute time frame. And when it comes to the 1 minute time frame, let me just remove this. When price comes to your 1 minute time frame point of interest, okay, let me just zoom out kidogo. Okay, yeah. So you'll be also waiting for a change of character. I hope you guys still understand what a change of character is. So we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, okay, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So at this point I'm not seeing a very good change of character. Let me just zoom in so that I can see. So what am I seeing? Okay, we have this break of structure. So I'll only be looking to buy this thing unless price comes back to this order block over here. That's when I'll be looking to buy. That's when I'll be looking to buy this GBP USD. Unless price comes back to that order block over there, that's when I'll be interested in buying the GBP USD pair. The GBP USD pair. Yeah, I'll be interested in buying that thing from there. Then also we have the GBP JPY trade that I saw. Also the same thing. I think I'll be interested. Okay, in fact this we have a very clear break of structure. Let me just look at it from a clearer point of view. So we have that break of structure point. Okay, then we have this order block. Okay, so I'll also be looking to buy this thing also from here going up. That's when I'll be interested in buying the GBP JPY trade. So that's my analysis this morning. I hope you guys have learned one or two. For those who have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Our target is to get at least 200 subscribers as we grow, and I hope you have learned something. You have learned my strategy and you will be better. So I want to wish you guys a profitable day. I'll be posting these trades that I identified in my social media pages. I'll also I'll be doing my reviews in the evening. I'll be identifying my zones in the morning, then I do my reviews in the evening, so that you guys can see that at least what I'm saying is something that is what I'm doing, is what I'm trading. It's not like I'm giving you things that I don't trade. So I want to wish you a profitable trade, a profitable day. You be blessed in the name of Jesus. Thank you.